argument could be made by someone that it's irrational and doesn't make sense to believe in God when God couldn't, according to the argument, couldn't connect his own words, such as previous scriptures which have been lost or corrupted. How can a powerful God allow for his scripture to be lost or corrupted? And the ex-Muslim alludes to this in his latest video.
Okay, the response to that question is that the Quran, when it mentions the tampering of the previous scriptures, has mentioned that those scriptures were only tampered because when the revelation was given, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, بِمَا اسْتُحْفِظُوا مِنَ الْكِتَابِ. They were given the task of preserving. So God did not undertake the preservation. The revelations were given to the rabbis and the elite of the clerics, and they were told to preserve the books. Meaning a taklif, they were given a task to do this. When they failed, then the revelation of the Quran came. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Inna nahnu nazzalna dhikra wa inna lahu lahafidhun. We revealed this revelation, meaning the Quran, dhikr meaning the Quran, and we will preserve it. So that guarantee of preservation was only given to the Quran. All the previous revelations, the task of preserving was given to the rabbis and the clerics.
They may say that why would Allah or God give this task to human beings? Is he incapable?
No, the task was not given because he was incapable. The task was given to them because they were able to do so, but they failed in doing so. When they failed in doing so, out of corruption,
it was a test for them.
A test for them. Then God Almighty then showed His divine powers to us, meaning we observed that the Quran is preserved. Meaning the objection is, of course, these objections are made upon fallacies. If you really look at the depth of those objections.
Yeah.